Are you experiencing issues with Docker? Launching your Blazor WebAssembly app on .NET 8, you're not alone. Many developers face this problem, and it can be frustrating to resolve. In this video, we'll delve into the possible causes of this issue and provide a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and fix the problem. If you're new to Docker or Blazor WebAssembly, don't worry, we'll cover the basics and explain each concept in detail. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to resolve the issue and get your app running smoothly on Docker. To start, let's break down what happens when you try to launch your Blazor WebAssembly app on Docker. The process involves several stages, including building the Docker image, creating a container from that image, and then running the application inside the container. One common cause of issues is an incorrect configuration in the Docker file. This file contains instructions for building the Docker image, and if it's not set up correctly, the build process may fail or produce unexpected results. For example, you might be using an outdated version of the .NET SDK, or forgetting to include essential dependencies. Another possible cause is a mismatch between the environment variables set in your Docker Compose YAML file and those required by your Blazor app. Environment variables are crucial for setting up the application's context, such as database connections or API keys. If these values don't match, the app may not start correctly or at all. Let's consider an analogy to help illustrate this concept. Think of Docker containers, like self-contained houses with their own plumbing and electrical system. Just as you need to ensure that your house is connected to the right water and electricity supplies, you must configure your container to connect to the correct environment variables. To summarize, when troubleshooting issues with launching your Blazor WebAssembly app on Docker, check your Docker file for errors or outdated configurations. Verify that environment variables in your Docker Compose YAML file match those required by your app. Ensure that you're using the correct version of .NET SDK and including all necessary dependencies. If you follow these steps and are still experiencing issues, please share your specific error messages or configuration details in the comments below. This will help us provide more tailored guidance to resolve your problem. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials on Docker, Blazor WebAssembly, and .NET development. If you'd like to explore more topics related to .NET 8, Blazor, or containerization with Docker, please let us know in the comments section below what subjects interest you the most. Your feedback is invaluable to us as it helps shape our content creation process and ensures that we're addressing your needs and pain points.